Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be giving you a clothing haul of the clothes that I got this year for Christmas. Initially, I wanted to buy these clothes for my birthday, but they actually came after my birthday, so I didn't get to wear any of these. So I got 6 shoes. 6 new shoes that I got from foreign this year. And let's start out with my favorite one from this year. Not my favorite, the one that I like the most. So I like this one the most. Alright, I liked this one the most because this one was the one that I actually wanted to buy. These shoes are Adidas. These are Pharrell Williams. It has Pharrell Williams on the back. I don't know if you can see. So these are Pharrell Williams shoes. Really nice. I like them. The one that I liked the most was the one with human race on it. But each of these shoes are limited edition shoes. So you're not going to necessarily get... I can't get back that one for like, that one is for ridiculous prices, like $5,000. You know, so these shoes, I can hold on to these shoes. And I got 2 of them. I got this one. I got 2 black ones. People are going to roast me for this one. But the difference between this black one and this one is, this has red on it. And I would wear this one with like colorful clothes, like probably I could wear it with blue, you know, with red or anything like that. With this one now, I could wear it with black and yellow or something like that. And I bought it on Flight Club. I got the tag here, Flight Club. I don't know if you can see it well, but I bought the shoes on Flight Club. So shout out to Flight Club. Yeah, but these shoes, this one was the one that I think I was gonna love the most. But let me tell you, I got 2 other shoes that the person that bought them for me showed me and asked me if I want these ones, and then I said, alright, then get it, but whatever. But these shoes are the shoes that I just wanted to let you know that this shoes was the one that I really wanted. I got this one because I like this one and it's similar to that one. I probably shouldn't have gotten 2 black ones, but it's whatever, right? You can always buy more shoes in the future or whatever. Yeah, but this shoes is actually my favorite for this year. My friend, he showed me this and said, hey, what do you think about this one? He had just bought a Yeezy like a week prior to me asking him to buy some stuff for me, and he actually bought this Yeezy. And this Yeezy is like this is my favorite shoes for this year. I never owned a Yeezy before. This is my first Yeezy. You know, I really like these shoes. My second favorite actually was a shoes that I didn't even want it. This one, Air Jordans. You know, this is my second favorite shoes. My friend actually forced me to get this one. He's saying he's buying it whether I like it or not. He's buying it. And I actually really like the shoes because it's really comfortable and it's like different. It has markings on the bottom and all of that. So, how much shoes I show you? I show you like some 4. So I bought 6 shoes this year. It's just another Air Force one. You know, fresh, never wear before. And then another shoes is this one. Another Adidas shoes. I really like it. I have a black one of these that I wear all the time. You know? So I just decided to get one of these. Not major, not serious. Really nice. All day I dream about summer. It's written in the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see. The lace is in. All day I dream about summer. So maybe I can rock this in the summer. I got a lot of shoes. I'm out here now. I remember when I was growing up, only had 1 shoes. 1 Reebok my father could afford, yo. And I used to wear it everywhere. Yeah. So that's it. That's it for the shoes that I got this year. So clothes time. I got a whole suitcase full of clothes. But I'm not gonna. I got a whole suitcase full of clothes. But I'm not gonna go into the suitcase as it. I'm gonna show you these shirts. These shirts, I got these shirts to wear for my birthday, but I didn't actually end up wearing these shirts because I was thinking, I'm a man now, and real men wear button-up shirts. So I wore a button-up shirt for my birthday, but let me get into it. So this shirt is a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. It's really nice, you know. I mean, just you call it blue, white, and black. No, light blue. It's 2 blue. This is blue. This is dark blue, and this is white. Why was I going to wear this in black? Hello, yeah, the Tommy Hilfiger is in black. So I wanted to buy a black Air Force and a black pants and wear with this. That's how I would wear this. This is really nice shirt. This shirt, no, this is like too nice. I just might wear this one on Christmas. This polo here. I just might wear this on Christmas. With like maybe like a black pants and like the white Air Force. Maybe that's why I would wear this. I'm just like brainstorming for right now. This could wear it with like a blue jeans or anything. But I'm thinking like a black jeans and the white Air Force. Let's get a different look. Let me know what you think. And this polo now. I didn't like this polo shirt. When I was literally forced to buy this. I was at a virgin that was selling them. And him say, yo, just take 3 shirts now. You know some people go on, they want to see it. So I'm going to take the next one. And this one, I don't really like this because Brazil is not really my side like that. Yeah, I don't really like Brazil like that. But it's whatever. That's the number 5 in it. It's not really my number like that. This shirt, them said this one is really nice. And everybody would love this one. This one, I probably would wear this with my Clarks. The Clarks that I wear on my birthday. And like probably even the same pants that I wear on my birthday. And then substitute this in instead. Or either way, I don't know. I probably never wear this, I don't know. It's not really my style like that though. So maybe I'll give it away to one of my brothers. I don't know. But that's that. So let me get right into the suitcase. The suitcase have a lot of clothes in it. Right in it. Yeah. Get right in there, boy. Alright. So alright, let me show you this before I start. So this shoes was like my favorite shoes from last year that I got. I wore this one for my birthday last year. It's so Dolce & Gabbana shoes. Really nice. I really like these shoes. This is probably, out of all of them, is this my favorite, still my favorite shoe? Is this? Yeah, I think this is still my favorite shoes out of all of them. This one was my favorite from last year. I like this one more than right there. Look. It's beautiful, right? No jokes. This one. Put this there. I'm getting into fashion. Mama, I made it. I'm getting into fashion. Get in there, alright? Put this a foot there. Put this a foot there. Get in there, man. Your boy's getting into fashion. Yeah, I'm getting into fashion. You can't see. Leave that alone. Alright. So that, as I said, the Dolce & Gabbana was my favorite shoes from last year. Let me get right into the suitcase. Alright, so suitcase. So this was my pants from last year. What is this doing in here? I think I might put this in here. So this is the black pants. This pants is a black pants, but it has some white on it. It has some like ash on it. And I don't think I would wear this with. I could wear it with this. I could wear it with this, but I was thinking I would buy a black pants to wear with like the Tommy shirt or the other polo shirt. It couldn't wear with the other polo shirt with the white in it, I don't think. And the white Air Force. I'd have to buy a full black pants. But yeah, this is the black pants that I wore last year for my birthday. I think I took it up last night because I was looking at something to wear to go somewhere, but I didn't end up going anywhere. The shirt, I bought this shirt on Amazon. You saw me do an unboxing when I got this shirt. It's a bench shirt. Don't know what that is doing it. This shirt, I wear this at the hotel the night before my birthday. I think I might just put these in it the other day. This, I got this from with the haul. This comes with the suitcase. And my virgin brought me for me this year. This Supreme bag. I never really liked this Supreme bag. You just got this Supreme bag, say, yo bro, this is a really nice bag. You deserve this bag. So he got me this bag and say, yo, all I want. You see me? I wore this one time when I went to a beach. It's really nice, I guess. Yeah, so that's that. So shirt number 1. Shirt. There's just prints on it. Purple Rain, baby. It's nice. I like that. Purple Rain, Prince shirt. Shirt number 2. American Eagle. That's an orange shirt. Really nice. Shirt number, what is 3? Shirt number 3, Nirvana. I like this shirt. This shirt is giving me It's like my vibe. I could wear this with my glasses. Yeah, Nirvana. Let me take it to Nirvana, baby. Yeah, I like this shirt. This shirt is probably one of my favorite. This shirt is probably my favorite shirt. Can I wear this? Maybe not. Maybe I will wear this. Nirvana, baby. Or maybe not. I don't know. But I like this shirt. This shirt is probably my favorite shirt from this year. I don't know. Let's keep going. So shirt number, what am I on? Shirt number 4? What's a shirt? I don't know who this artist is with this guitar. It's a really dope shirt, I guess. So that's what it is. Jimi Hendrix. Jimi Hendrix. Yeah, Jimi Hendrix is on that shirt. That shirt's alright. This is shirt number what? 5? Have a nice scent, smell like foreign. Still smell like foreign. This shirt is my friend's jersey. I bought this jersey because it was out. Like he gave away all of the other jerseys that he had. So he was saying he was out of jerseys. So I bought this one. Because I was begging him one. Yo, give me a jersey now, bro. But him saying never have no more. So I bought this one. Have him naming it. This is actually expensive, you know. This is for $100. But I like to support my friends. And I feel like you should support your friends too. Yeah, so I bought his jersey, number in it. I feel like I got the shorts in here too. Somewhere. Maybe I'll come up on the shot. But let me go through the shirts. Continue going through the shirts that I got. This shirt is Marvel shirt, just Marvel on it. Nothing is on the back. Clear back, Marvel on the front. Dope. Shirt number 1. How much is shirt number? I don't know, this is a button-up shirt. It's a regular button-up shirt. It's kind of weak, but I can wear this. I think I can wear this on a date or something like that. I don't know. Whatever. Blue Clarks or something. This, I really like this shirt too. Like, this is the back. You have this coloring, and on the front, you have this on it. It's a little similar thing like what's on the back. This is it. And I can wear this shirt with this. You know, like it goes, it fit well together. It's looking nice. Right? Yeah, probably with a black pants. Clean, you know, dog. This Christmas, you know, me clean. I remember a lot of Christmas I could only afford one. My father could only buy me one shoes, one Air Force. This is a black pants. I never know. Other black. Oh, this one. This pants has some wings on it. Some not wings, some doves on it. I don't really like this pants with the doves on it. But it's full black, but it has the doves on it. So pants it just have the doves on it. This is a pants. Let's put the pants over here. Alright. Another pants. This is like a greyish pants. Greyish looking pants. Greyish, what color is this? This just look like ashes. Ash. Put that over there. Shirt. This shirt is a black American Eagle shirt. Kind of weak, but it's whatever. It's American Eagle. Yard shirt. Yeah, this one is Lyttle. This is not my vibe still, you know, but whatever, bro. It's a Lyttle Records. Black and red. I can wear this probably. I can buy a black. I'm gonna buy a black pants and a black Air Force. I probably can wear this with that. Yo, that black pants and black Air Force can wear with a lot of things, you know. I'm gonna buy a black pants and a black Air Force. So this is it. Boom, 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 fast. Then alright, so these are a bunch of white polo shirts. So it's a bunch of white polo tees. I like polo tees. I like the black one them. I think I bought a 2-pack of black polo tees. White ones are okay too, I guess, but black, you know, because I got black balls, is my favorite color. So these are just some white polo tees. You have the little polo here. Yeah, three, 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1 pack. Oh, this shirt I bought, you see me do the unboxing of this. I never wear this though, but I bought this shirt on Amazon alone. This one came in the heart. I have a little heart on it. White with a heart on it. Yo, a lot of these I'm not gonna wear them, but I don't have to wear them now. Okay, I have a lot of time to wear them. This I really like this. Maybe I can wear this with this. Alright, what do you think? Can I dress or not? Can I dress or not? I'm gonna wear this with this. I really like this. Make the world a better place. That kind of crony still, that kind of lame. Make the world a better place. This is H&M. H&M shirt. I really like this. This probably might be my second favorite. The Nirvana, yeah. This is my second favorite shirt. This, I really like this shirt. I got 2 of these actually. This is the front, this is the back. This is the front, and the front it just has man on it. And the back it has it has man. Is that man? No, it has BM. Am I not seeing properly in my glasses? I'm gonna keep on my glasses. So it has a mushroom and fire and the BM. I could wear this with this too. I could also wear this with this. This would look better with this. I got options. Right? So that is that. Still going. It's a lot of clothes. Alright, so this Dove shirt you're supposed to wear with the black Dove pants. Kinda alright, I guess. This shirt is medium. It's kinda look big. Bigger than my butt. Don't know. I guess I need space for my muscles, right? So yeah, this shirt and this is the shorts. So here's the shorts that I bought. Come with my friend jersey. The name in the back. I'm probably not gonna wear these jerseys, you know. Probably just gonna keep them for just like, yeah, my bro, he made it. Him do damage, so yeah. This is a yellow bird shirt. You know, Christmas is coming. The back of it is just the back of the bird. Big yellow bird. Christmas is coming. Christmas is here. It's winter. I'm probably gonna wear this in January. You know, January is cold. I don't know, maybe. Maybe if I'm feeling Sesame Streety, I might wear this in the Christmas. I don't know. Alright, so moving on. I got 2 of these shirts, 2 of the man shirts. Last year was the same. I got 2 same shirts last year, but I gave one away to a girl that I was talking to at the time. This one. I don't know, maybe I'll give this away to somebody else too. I'll save this one for somebody special. So moving on. So this shirt is one of my favorite shirts. This is a part of the haul. Alia. My baby. Alia shirt. Really nice shirt. How many shirts do I have? How many shirts are here? It's a whole lot of shirts. Got another pants. That's another ashy looking pants. Just a pants. This kind of wear would probably like. This kind of like, there's a lot of clothes here I can wear with. A lot of clothes. Another pants. These pants have like a zip at the bottom. Another American Eagle shirt. America Eagle. Yeah, so the eagle and the bird on it. Another pants. I like this pants. This pants is a really nice pants. This pants can wear with this shirt. Like a white Air Force. Clean, a lie? A lie, bro? Clean, a lie? No one jokes. Yeah, so pants, shirt. And like, sorry, so these are the black pack. So I bought 2 pack of these. Like, so in the pack, you have 3 coming in the pack. So this is 6. 6 black polo tees. Never wear before. Really like these. Polo tees. Yeah. And my polo tees I can wear it with. Take off one of them. Polo tees. I can wear it with these shoes. Black polo tees. I can wear it with this. I lie. I like this too weak. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm out here. What else in the bag? Well, that's it, you know, basically. So one last shirt. This blue shirt. American Eagle. That's a regular yard shirt. And a button up jeans jacket. It's not my style, but I try it out. Sometimes it's good to try new things, right? Yeah, so that's it for the haul. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's been consistent. It has been a bit hard, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent from now on. Probably gonna buy more clothes as Christmas approaches. Today is what, the 6th? No. Tomorrow is the 16th. Today is the 15th. Right? Of December. As Christmas approaches and as New Year's, maybe I'll buy more clothes or whatever. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace and love every time. Peace and love to all. A lot of love. Out.